Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious and the most merciful. My name is Muhammad Uzair and my group members are Faisal Amin, Raja Muhammad Hamza Shehzad and Umar Farooq. Our project that we are going to present is the development of gyro scooter for the quick personal transportation under the supervision of engineer Bilal Nutqani, and we will give you the brief introduction about our project. Basically, gyro scooter is the two-wheel self-balancing vehicle which can be used as the mean of the quick personal transportation, and it works on the principle of the inverted pendulum. One of the most important and interesting thing is that our weight navigates the gyro scooter in the forward and the backward motion by leaning forward and backward. And gyro scooter uses the accelerometer and the gyroscopic sensors that are the backbone of the gyro scooter and conserves the angular momentum and detect the rider motion and detect also the pitch angle along with the rider motions. So it can maintain the balance easily. So now next come to the objectives. Our main aim is to design and to develop the self-balancing gyro scooter by the implementing the gyroscopic sensors, microprocessors, Arduinos and the batteries in the electronic circuit that are the major stuffs of our gyro scooter. So now next come to the next objective, that is to introduce the accelerator mechanism. This is the major control system of our the gyro scooter. And third objective is to assemble the electronic circuit. After assembling the electronic circuit, our main aim is to test it 2 to 3 times for better functionality and to collaborate with the industries to share our innovative ideas regarding our model is our objective.
Now we'll come to the socio-economic benefits of our project, because the question arises that why we are recommending this project. So first of all, its first benefit is about the zero emission and the green aspect. Since it is an electric vehicle, it does not generate emissions and is therefore environmental friendly. Gyro scooters do not produce fumes and harmful gases, making them the green choice for transportation. Second type, it covers more ground. Tours on a Segway vehicle can cover a large area than a walk around because of its ability to travel faster than using one's feet. Now we will discuss about it is used for the security purposes. Gyro scooters assist security teams in ways that no other machine can. Establish your presence with an elevated stance and an increased line of sight. Quickly navigate crowds as they see your security operators approaching. Its last benefits that we describe is used for the sources of hospitals and for shopping malls. We now getting to a call as quickly as possible is the most important thing for emergency services personnel. Gyro scooters can enhance the mobility, getting you to call faster and with much less fatigue. Now we will come towards the methodology that we used in our project. First of all, we did the literature review from the past papers according to the Gantt chart that we described in our last presentation. And then we come towards the CAD model that we built up in the Creo, that it consider about the parts, components that we model. Then the third point of our methodology was the mathematical calculation, in which we calculate the power of the motors and the speed that the gyro will move. The fourth methodology described the structural analysis that we considered it in the ANSYS software, which describes its stresses and strains mathematically. Then the fifth methodology was the component selection according to the calculations we have made and the analysis and the model that we have described earlier. Our sixth methodology was to assemble the components that we have described earlier and to assemble in a right way to produce the power in an exact way and the speed of the gyro scooter in a perfect manner. Then the last methodology that we described and we did it is the testing of the gyro scooter, as testing is the most important part of a project. So we test it about in a acceleratory system and the balancing system, as we described that our project is to balance. It is a self-balancing gyro scooter. Now we'll give the component description, and after that our project demo.